Welcome to our YouTube channel. It is Be Inspired by Blue Fern. So I'm so excited. Today we're going, because it's fall, even though it's 100 degrees in Georgia, we are going to do a fall inspired tabletop, table decor. And here is some of the great things that we're going to use. I'm going to kind of pick and choose from here and see what we can do to make this tablescape pretty amazing. Obviously, we're going to use the great big pumpkin. Don't like regular pumpkins. They're okay to carve, but when you're using table decor, it's always fun to have a different kind of pumpkin. So the organic pumpkins that are all different shapes and sizes. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? We're going to start out with the great big white pumpkin, and we're going to put him in the center of the table. And then we're going to start out, next we'll put another pumpkin. We have all different kinds. And I think we'll put him right here like this. And then, these are great. These are just great little risers. They come in all different shapes and sizes. These are some that we have at Blue Fern, so we're gonna just use them for different height purposes. And we're gonna go like this. Yep, maybe. We might change it around, you never know. Okay, and then the next thing we're gonna use is, we've got this great old wine bottle that they use over in Italy to put all of their wine in. So we're gonna use this and stick it right here. And then, we're going to start adding candlesticks. I love candlesticks. There's nothing better than having all different shapes and sizes of candlesticks, and the ambiance, once you light all those candles, it's great for a dinner party. Thanksgiving is coming up. You've also got Halloween, so if you have a Halloween party, there's all different great things that you can do with them. So we're gonna start out with a couple. Let's see, which do I wanna do first? All right, so let's go here, like this, and we'll kind of copy it for the other side over here like this. And these are great. They always say that it's great to have lit candles, just because you've got, with the lit candles, there's all different textures to them, right? After you light them, so you never know which way they're gonna go. So you've got something good with that. Put that here. See that here. This one's tilting. Let's make him right. Okay, and then one of the great things is old brass candlesticks, right? So you can find these great, fabulous candlesticks at Goodwill. Any of the thrift stores are always great. They're always inexpensive. They're becoming harder to find because more people want them. They're great for, again, decor or putting them on a fireplace, all different kinds of things. So we're gonna start that one here, and then we're gonna do this one over here like this. And here's the thing, the longer you can make the tablescape, the better, instead of clumping it all into one place, right? Because then it gets so busy. So if you kind of spread everything out, it just elongates your space. And then when people are sitting at the table, you can kind of see through and over. You never really want to have anything too tall, because then it's hard to be able to see actually over the tablescape, right? So, all right, so we've got that. And then let's do, put this one right here. And then I'm gonna come around in a minute because I'm gonna play with this a little bit more. Let's see what we can do. And remember, when you're doing a tablescape, it's not just being about one side, it's being about both sides. So you kind of have the same feeling on from one side to the other. And, oops, wrong one. Let's do this one there, like this. Let's flip out this one, put that there, put that there like this. All right, there's that. Okay, so let me go around here. So far you've got just this great space of different things going on, right? So it's not all the same thing. Okay, now I'm gonna make the centerpiece, and it's basically just putting some great things that feel fallish. You wanna have color. Don't let everything be so neutral. Neutral is boring, I feel like. You've gotta have a little pop of color just to make the space happy, right? So we're gonna do this. Hold on, going back. So we're gonna start out with some cute yellow pom-poms, right? And you can bend these to however you want them to go, right? And then, whoops. Okay. Feathers, pheasant feathers are always good. They go with any decor. So we're gonna put those here, and another one right here. Okay, and then peacock feathers. All right, we're gonna play with this. So we're gonna put one here, maybe. Stick him down there. The great thing is that these come in all different lengths, the peacock feathers, unless you have your very own peacock, right? And you can cut the peacock feathers to how you want them to be. All right, there's that. Okay. People are coming next. All right, and then last but not least, I love my greens, right? And I feel like when you have greens, you're bringing the outdoors in. So anything that you can find from the outdoors to bring in is always an added plus. All right, so I'm gonna kind of put these here. Not the greatest view. We don't want the button view. All right, here we go. I don't know this. Let's do this. Put him there. We're going to raise him up a little bit, kind of changing it around. There we go. Like that. There we go. All right, and there you go. There you have it. Simple Simon. It looks great. It goes for any fall decoration, and you're bringing the outdoors in with a lot of different elements. So enjoy. We're glad you came to watch Be Inspired by Blue Fern. I'm Lori, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook too. It's Blue Fern Merchant everywhere. Thanks, guys.